It usually starts at night. You wake up thirsty, your mouth feels dry, maybe your legs feel heavy, or you notice strange tiredness after breakfast. But you ignore it because you think, I'm just getting older. Then every morning you make the same breakfast you've trusted for years. Eggs, fried eggs, toast, maybe bacon. It feels safe, healthy even. But what if the way you eat eggs after 60 is quietly pushing your blood sugar higher without you realizing it? What if the real danger isn't the eggs themselves, but one hidden habit almost nobody talks about? And here's the scary part. Many seniors only discover this after their blood sugar numbers suddenly spike. Listen carefully, because what you're about to hear could completely change your mornings. If you're over 60, you've probably tried to eat healthy already. You cut back on sugar, you avoid desserts, maybe you even switch to brown bread or low-fat foods. But despite all that, your energy still crashes. Your belly feels puffier. Your doctor keeps mentioning pre-diabetes or high glucose. That's frustrating, especially when you're eating foods everyone says are healthy. Most seniors never suspect breakfast. They think the problem comes from candy, soda, or sweets. But blood sugar problems often build slowly from small daily habits, repeated over and over. And breakfast is one of the biggest triggers. Here's what makes this even worse. Many older adults fry eggs in unhealthy oils, combine them with processed carbs, or eat them in ways that stress the body's insulin response. The result? Your body struggles harder every morning. But here's the key. It doesn't feel dangerous at first. That's why so many people miss it. Your body whispers before it screams. In a moment, I'm going to show you the specific egg habit experts say seniors should avoid after 60, especially if you want stable blood sugar and steady energy. And no, this does not mean you must stop eating eggs completely. In fact, eggs can still be one of the best foods for seniors when eaten the right way. But the difference between the safe way and the risky way is massive. Most people never learn this until it's too late. So stay with me, because near the end, I'll also share 2 simple breakfast changes that may help you feel lighter, more energized, and more balanced within just a few weeks. This changes everything. I've spent years studying nutrition and healthy aging, and one thing becomes clear again and again. Small daily habits matter more than extreme diets, especially after 60. Your body processes food differently now. Your muscles, hormones, and metabolism all change with age. That means the breakfast habits that worked at 40 may quietly hurt you at 65. And understanding this could help protect your energy, your heart, and your blood sugar for years to come. Most people believe eggs are either completely healthy or completely dangerous. But that's the wrong question. The real issue is how they're eaten. It's not usually the egg itself causing problems. It's what happens around the egg. For example, frying eggs in processed oils, pairing them with white toast, sugary ketchup, hash browns, or processed meats can create a blood sugar roller coaster. And many seniors do this every single morning. Listen carefully. Your body after 60 becomes more sensitive to inflammation and insulin spikes. That means one normal breakfast can affect you much more strongly now than it did years ago. So if you've been blaming aging alone for your fatigue or rising glucose, most people miss this hidden breakfast connection completely. Think of your body like a fireplace. When the fire burns steadily, your home stays warm and comfortable. But if you suddenly throw paper, gasoline, and dry leaves into the fire all at once, the flames explode quickly, then crash just as fast. That's exactly what happens with blood sugar. Eggs alone digest slowly and steadily. That's usually good. But when eggs are combined with refined carbs and unhealthy fats, your blood sugar can rise sharply. Then your body releases insulin quickly to bring it back down. Over time, this constant up and down stresses your system, and after 60, your body recovers more slowly from these spikes. But here's the key. Stable blood sugar is often less about removing one food and more about balancing the entire meal. That's the part many seniors never hear. And once you understand this, breakfast becomes much simpler. So what's the safest way to eat eggs after 60? The answer is surprisingly simple. Avoid deep-fried or heavily butter-fried eggs combined with processed carbs. Instead, focus on eggs prepared gently and paired with fiber-rich foods. For example, boiled eggs, poached eggs, or lightly cooked eggs with vegetables are much easier on your system. Add spinach, tomatoes, avocado, or oatmeal instead of white toast and fried potatoes. Why does this matter? Because fiber slows down sugar absorption. Healthy fats from avocado or nuts help keep you full longer. And protein from eggs supports muscle strength, which becomes extremely important after 60. But here's the hidden benefit most people don't expect. Balanced breakfasts often reduce afternoon cravings too. That means fewer energy crashes later in the day. And one more important point. Cooking oils matter. Many packaged vegetable oils become unstable at high heat. Over time, they may increase inflammation in the body. That's why many experts prefer simple cooking methods or healthier fats, like olive oil in small amounts. Listen carefully. The goal is not perfection. The goal is reducing daily stress on your blood sugar little by little. Small changes repeated every morning can create surprisingly powerful results over time. Now, don't expect overnight miracles. Your body needs time to adjust. If you've eaten the same breakfast for 20 or 30 years, your system won't transform in 2 days. But steady improvement matters more than quick fixes. Many seniors notice better energy first, then fewer cravings, then more stable blood sugar readings. That's how real progress usually works. Slow, gentle, consistent. And honestly, that's much healthier than extreme dieting. This changes everything because sustainable habits are the ones that actually last. Here's a simple way to start tomorrow morning. First, change the cooking method. Instead of frying eggs in large amounts of butter or processed oil, try boiling or poaching them. If you cook them in a pan, use only a small amount of olive oil. This alone can reduce unnecessary fats and help your breakfast feel lighter. Second, remove one processed carb. Notice I said one. You don't need to panic and throw away your whole kitchen, but replacing white toast, sugary cereal, or hash browns with oatmeal, berries, or vegetables can make a huge difference. Fiber slows the sugar surge that leaves many seniors tired by mid-morning. Most people miss this because they focus only on calories, but blood sugar stability matters more. Third, add colour to your plate. Spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers. Vegetables help support digestion and fullness, while adding nutrients your body needs more as you age. And here's the key. Keep breakfast simple. Simple habits are easier to repeat. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated meal plans, just balanced meals prepared more carefully. That consistency is what protects your health long term. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is believing protein cancels out carbs. It doesn't. If you eat eggs beside pancakes, white bread, sugary coffee drinks, and processed meats every morning, your blood sugar can still spike hard. Another major mistake? Burning oils at high heat. Stop overheating cheap cooking oils daily. Over time, that may increase inflammation and stress your body even more. And never assume healthy-looking breakfasts are automatically safe. Many packaged breakfast foods marketed to seniors are loaded with hidden sugars. Listen carefully. Labels can fool you. Your body reacts to what's inside the food, not the marketing on the box. During the first week, you may notice fewer heavy crashes after breakfast. You might feel more stable through the morning. In week 2, many people notice reduced cravings and less bloating. Your energy may feel steadier instead of rising and crashing throughout the day. By weeks 3 and 4, some seniors begin seeing improvements in blood sugar readings, sleep quality, and even mood. But here's the important part. Consistency matters more than speed. Small improvements add up quietly, and often the healthiest changes are the ones you barely notice day by day, until suddenly you feel like yourself again. Here are 2 bonus habits that help even more. First, try taking a short 10-minute walk after breakfast. That gentle movement helps your muscles use sugar more efficiently. It's simple, but incredibly powerful. Second, drink more water early in the day. Many seniors are mildly dehydrated without realizing it, and dehydration can make fatigue and blood sugar problems feel worse. But here's the key. Don't overwhelm yourself. Even one small habit done daily is better than a perfect routine done once. That's how real health changes happen after 60. If you experience constant thirst, blurry vision, numbness in your feet, dizziness, or very high blood sugar readings, talk to your doctor as soon as possible. And if you already take diabetes medication, never make major diet changes without professional guidance. Your body after 60 deserves careful attention, not extreme experiments. Remember, this video is educational, not personal medical advice. The safest approach is always steady improvement with proper medical support when needed. Getting older does not mean giving up your energy. It does not mean feeling tired every morning. And it certainly does not mean your health is already decided. Sometimes the biggest changes begin with the smallest habits, like how you prepare breakfast tomorrow morning. That's the hopeful part. You don't need perfection. You don't need fear. You just need awareness and a few smarter choices repeated consistently. And the beautiful thing is this: your body can still respond positively even after 60. Small steps still matter. Your future health is being shaped quietly every single day. And starting tomorrow, you can shape it in a better direction. If this video helped you see breakfast differently, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple health tips designed especially for adults over 50. Every week, we share easy habits that may help you feel stronger, safer, and more energized as you age. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. How do you usually eat your eggs in the morning? Fried, boiled, scrambled, or something else? Leave your answer in the comments below. And remember, sometimes the smallest breakfast change can become the biggest health victory later on.